To hide scroll bar when editing a note on the Note app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Note app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Under Advanced section, tap the gray on option next to hide scroll bar when editing until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see the result, tap the back key. Open one of your notes. Tap on the note to edit your note. As you can see, while you are editing your note, your phone will hide the scroll bar. To move between pages, you can swipe the screen up or down. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.